Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about 10 fragrances from the house of Fraganote. I've gotten so many requests from you guys to talk about Fraganote fragrances. When I opened their website, there were so many perfumes. When I got to open their website and I saw so many variants, I got so confused कि क्या लूँ क्या नहीं लूँ. So I thought, you know what, let me just get a set of 10 sample sets first and experience the fragrances and see what fragrance I lean towards and then buy a full bottle of it. So here I am with this set. This is called an experience set from Fraganote. They have 10 fragrances of 2 ml each. That's enough for me to test and try and know whether I like a fragrance or not. And this says that it is memories, feelings, notes and fragrances in this box, which I totally agree to. This is one of the best presentations that I've seen from any brand on the samples so far. Like, look at the detailing that's going on here. They have color coded each of their fragrance based on how the bottle is, okay? And behind, they have mentioned notes of each and every perfume that they've mentioned. They've also written the name of the variant, whether it is for him or her or it's a unisex fragrance, and the notes breakdown of it. This is massive detail in a bottle, and I really appreciate the thought process that has gone behind this. Okay, once you open this box, this is how the perfumes are sitting inside. The perfumes are not budging from their place, no falling, they're well protected, and this is what I call intelligent packaging, you guys. Like, this is just absolutely gorgeous, and this is something that I can store also very nicely and just open it and experience the fragrance of the day, you know. And that's how I have been testing and trying. 10 days, past 10 days I've been wearing Fraganote fragrances to test and try each of these fragrances for you guys before I made this video. So let's get started. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So I'm going to first pick the fragrances that are for him. So the first one that we're going to pick is Island Water. Now Island Water is a very tropical, fruity, fresh, very refreshing to the soul kind of a fragrance which will do really well during daytime. This has the major notes of aqua, melon, citruses, sea salt and musk. You know, just imagine sipping on a melon based drink with some water, some ice, a pinch of salt, and you know, you're just relaxing and enjoying that salty breeze and you're sipping your mocktail. This is exactly the mental picture that I get. The second perfume for him is called as Aftershave. Now, Aftershave, as the name suggests, is a very cologne, freshy kind of a fragrance. This has lemon, orange, juniper, musk and cedar wood. Although cedar wood is listed in the notes, but this is not a very woody kind of a fragrance. This is a very cologne, fresh, spicy sort of a fragrance in my opinion, with some aromatic hints to it. Third one is London Bar for him. This is one of the most warm, addictive and sexy kind of a fragrance in my opinion. This has rum, tobacco, cinnamon, vanilla and amber. All the warm, cuddly, romantic sort of notes are present in here. This is a strong fragrance. It gives me a longevity of 8 to 10 hours. Projection and sillage is loud on this one. I love wearing this. This is for a man who's ready to go for a romantic date and he's just dressed appropriately for it. I think this is the one. Next one is called as Alpha Spade. Now, Alpha Spade, in my opinion, is an aromatic kind of a spicy fragrance. This has lavender, pear, cinnamon, vanilla, and amber. Now, the green nuances that are present in here, along with the lavender, it definitely makes it like an aromatic, spicy kind of a fragrance. This is also a very strong fragrance in my opinion, but this is like a CEO kind of a fragrance, you know. Somebody who's very bossy, somebody who is like a senior director in some firm, somebody who runs the business. This is that kind of a fragrance, something who is very commanding, okay. Alpha Spade is that. I really like this fragrance a lot. Like, I think London Bar and Alpha Spades are two of the best fragrances according to me from their men's collection. Okay, I've covered the 4 for him fragrances. Now let's move on to the unisex fragrances. There are 2 unisex fragrances. The first one is Persian Oud. Now, Persian Oud is, of course, from the name you would have taken a guess that this has oud in it, but it has oud along with some raspberry, rose and saffron. Raspberry is what is making a hell lot of difference in this fragrance because it kind of gives it a very tart, sweet kick in the fragrance, okay? And it is not a barnyard oud in my opinion. Just has a modern touch to it because of that raspberry playing in the background. Again, this is something very warm and very romantic, but also very dominating kind of a fragrance. And you know, This will do really well in Indian festivities or in kind of like some celebration. It's not your typical office wear or like a party banger kind of a fragrance. This just has a nice traditional feel to it. So this also gives me easy 8+ hours, and projection and sillage is loud. Then I have Spicewoods. As the name suggests, it's spiciness meeting woodiness. No surprise there. But when you apply this fragrance, gosh, it is so sexy. It is so mature, so sexy, so dominating, creates a massive scent bubble around me. One of the most compliment getters. I wore this and so many people asked me what I was wearing, and I got tons of compliments on this one. So I really love this one. This has saffron, cardamom, cinnamon, amber, and sandalwood. All warm notes and feels like a warm hug as well. But this is such a rainy and sweater weather fragrance. Love this one. One of the best ones from Frega Note. Let's move on to the remaining 4 for her fragrances. The first one that I have is White Florals. Now, White Florals has like almost all the white florals that are present with some aquatic feel to it. So it has lily, magnolia, orange blossom, tuberose, and some muskiness, which brings in some powderiness in this fragrance. Now, this is very elegant, sophisticated, very office wear, very clean girl vibe kind of a scent. Something that the outfit that I'm wearing now, I think this perfume will go really well with it. And I think this will do really well during like daytime or if you are going for a special occasion like attending a wedding attending your friend's wedding or something like that, and you're wearing pastels. I think this perfume will go with I think this will be a very elegant one to go for. This gives me a longevity of 6 hours, and projection and sillage is medium. Next one is Apple Lily, and as the name suggests, it has the dominant notes of green apple and lily, along with some zestiness of lemon, some rose and jasmine. Now, this is again a very elegant fruity floral fragrance, something that I love wearing to office. This is a very everyday casual wear for me, but one of the best fruity floral fragrances that are available with Frega Note. The crisp green apple note that has mixing up with lemon, that is like one of the best openings in the fragrances, because it just has a good start of the day. It has a good feel factor to it. So I love how mood uplifting this fragrance is. This one gives me a longevity of 7 to 8 hours, and projection and sillage is medium, but it will keep projecting throughout the day in terms of softer wisp. So if you're talking somebody in closer vicinity, or if you're hugging somebody, they are definitely going to get a wisp of this one. Then the second last fragrance is called as Beach Holiday, and as the name suggests, this is a escape to the tropical vacation paradise. This has passion fruit with some berries, some oak moss, and some freshness of white florals like lily and jasmine. This takes me back to a Goa vacation, to a tropical vacation, and it just has a very nice beachy kind of a vibe going on to it, where like fruitiness, freshness meets some aquatic hints and the realistic ocean kind of like that vibe, that marine vibe to it. This has it all. Gives me a longevity of around 6 to 7 hours, projection and sillage is medium. Last but not the least is one of their best sellers, and this one is Vanilla Wood. Now, as the name suggests, this has prominent notes of vanilla with some woodiness. This has vanilla, Irish cream, some floral nuances, sandalwood and amber. I find this scent to be quite balanced in terms of sweetness, some floral nuances and some woodiness. It does have a distinct creaminess because of the Irish cream and the sandalwood that's present in here. And then sandalwood is literally like enwrapping all of these fragrance notes together to create this masterpiece. One of the best sellers, and for all the good reasons. I love myself a soft vanilla fragrance, something that is creamy, sweet, floral, and perfectly balanced. I've already used half of it, and I think I'm going to finish this one today and order a bigger bottle. I'm quite enjoying this fragrance. Gives me a longevity of around 6 hours. Projection and sillage is medium. So overall, I think Frega Note has just nailed it with the concept of sample sets. Presentable. It gives you a good idea of what the brand has in store for you. And based on your choice, your liking, you can actually test and try few of these and then come to know whether you're liking the brand as a whole, how is the quality, how are the perfume oils, are they working well for you in the Indian weather or whichever area you live in. So all of these factors at a fraction of a price. So I think this is a steal deal. I'm very happy with the way I got to know the fragrances that they have, and now navigating through their website and finding the right perfume for myself will be much easier, because this just came very handy for that decision. So overall, I think this is a 10 out of 10 for me, and this definitely opens the gateway to explore Fraganote fragrances. Overall rating is a whopping 10 out of 10. Highly recommended. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that the reviews gave you an idea of what Fraganote has for you, and let me know which Fraganote fragrances have you tried and you recommend in the comment section, because like I said, I have never explored Fraganote fragrances, so I am open to go through your recommendations and maybe test a few. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. Please support your girl. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.